everyone, or should I say Heart Venturers? Welcome to my first ever vlog. And this is Heart, ang iyong travel buddy as we discover the beauty of our world. As our adventure begins, syempre you will get to know me first. At dahil maulan ngayon, dito muna tayo sa ating bahay kasi hindi muna tayo makagala at mapakita sa inyo ang mga iba't ibang destination na pupuntahan natin. Pero ngayon, you will get to know me first and kung ano yung first destination na pupuntahan natin sa mga susunod na vlogs. A brief background about myself. I'm 20 years old and a college student. So, kahit nag-aaral ako, I still have the courage to start vlogging and to share with you guys what it's like to see the beauty of our world. And our very first vlog, it's all about the beauty of the South. So, saan ba muna tayo pupunta sa South? Ano bang destination? So, ang pupuntahan natin ngayon at isi-share ko sa inyo ay sa Imus City, Cavite. So, bakit Imus? Kasi, this place has a special place in my heart. Kasi, dito ako lumaki at marami akong childhood memories here. And, since matagal na ako dito sa Imus, ay marami akong masishare sa inyo. Alright, let's start! Welcome to my hometown! As you all know, Imus is known to be the flag capital of the Philippines. And that is what makes the Imus so special and memorable to everyone. I will discuss sa inyo yung 3 significant pointers here in Imus. Like, what is the best place for me here? And what is the best practice culture as I observed, and lastly, what is the best reason why you guys must see and appreciate this place? The best place for me is the Imus City Plaza. So, sa lahat ng mga tiga-Imus dyan, is alam na alam tong lugar na to. Kasi, this place is so famous, and this is public park that serves as a recreational park for locals and for visitors. This park features playground, fountain that lights up tuwing gabi, and also may jogging path din. And lastly, may mga vendors na nagtitinda ng mga street food. So, yun talaga yung pinakasikat sa place na to. Kasi, lahat naman tayo is gusto ng street food. So, nagkikrave tayo doon. Nagkikrave ako ng street food. At, yung mga street food dito is mga kilala at meron din mga hindi pa kilala na magugustuhan ninyo. And, nandun na kapag nag-visit kayo dito, the very, very, very famous place is the Imus City Plaza. The best practice culture for me that I observe is probably the strong family ties. Kasi here in Imus, yung mga extended families is very magkalapit yung bahay sa isa't isa. And that is very common here. Pati yung mga shared responsibilities, yung support ng family members sa kada pamilya, yon very active and visible. Especially sa mga public park or mga nagpipiknik ng families, marami kang makikita kapag nag-visit ka dito. So, I think that is the best practice culture. You can see naman yung the love of the family. Lastly, what is the best reason why you guys should see and appreciate this place? Simple lang, kasi by their cuisine, masarap at hahanap-hanapin mo. At yun din, yung street food na sinabi ko nung kanina, very famous din siya. And also yung delicacies nila. Ganun din, meron din mga historical places here that you will discover, as well as mga museums and historical landmarks that you will see when you come past this place, or pag-visit mo, makikita mo siya. And lastly, ang best reason then is you guys will see the parks, the beautiful parks and nature na surely mag-e-enjoy kayo kasama mo pamilya mo or mga friends. Ayan, kasi here in Cavite, maraming environment na nagpro-provide ng picnics and nature walks. Ayun, so marami kang madidiscover dito, and also mga hidden gems na malalaman natin sa susunod na vlog natin. So yeah, that's all. Can't wait to share kung ano pang madidiscover natin here in Imus. Stay tuned for that every Saturday. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit also the notification bell for you to be updated. See you guys on my next vlog, and exploring the world one adventure at a time. See you on our next Heart Ventures. Bye!